I am recording this to assist anyone else who might be doing this. Whether you start in the front or the back, my recording starts in the back. You've got these panel pieces you need to pop off. Little tools like this work great for getting in places like that. We have one Torx bit there. You need to slowly work around the outside to get this panel piece off. One piece, the other one went flying over here from this side. Store them neatly. And here we have two here, two here. They need to come apart. Don't know why this needs to come undone on this too. This would be a push down from the center of that tab. Up front I already moved. This wire right here, just gotta push on clamp. What you need to do is take your hands, pull. We've got 4 230s, one there, 2 there, and the 4th one being back here. Swivel works nice to get in there. Doesn't take much to crack them loose. And away we go. One. You do not need to remove these bolts. Look, it's already free just by taking off 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like we got a T20 up front here. With a little prying of your tool along the top line here, you can easily, as you pull down, pop this off. This then shows us we have a bolt here, a bolt here, that's going to need to be removed to gain access to this. Once you get your bolt out over there, just I already popped this loose. The trim tool will come down, up and around. Yet again, trim tool, very helpful. Alright, so this, if you loosen this clamp up, will pull right up. This mat here It's plastic. Pull that up. You have this piece right here. Take that off. Exposes your 2 bolts here and your bolt down there. But you lift up on this whole piece, it's secured back there and back there as one whole piece to this. So this whole piece will separate from this.
I don't know.
This is a T20 bolt here and here. T20, T20. Yes. You take out those 2 bolts right here and here, and this loosens all this up. You're going to have technically a connection for here, 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 and here. On top of something for there. But look back there, that's loose. It's all loose. Just gotta undo that connector. That. Figure this out. Alright. There are a handful of things I want to note here. You have the smallest little clip right here that you will see right here. It plugs in to the back of your module right there for the wireless port. Also, when you're taking this off, this is the plug for the ignition. It has this pad on top. There's an alignment groove. Oh gosh, don't do that. Oh boy, happy hunting. Okay. There's alignment, 2 alignment grooves. They align with the component right here. So I'm hopeful I can show this on camera. Like so. That goes right into there. We have this plug, this plug, this plug, and this plug. Cigarette lighter. See your traction control, you got your mode, and then your parking brake. And these correspond to, here's your cigarette lighter. Cigarette lighter just has this little clip down here. Push in to release. This has a small clip on top right here. Right here. That needs to get pushed inward. Same with your mode. That one's going to be the same way. Little clip, pull it down, and parking brake has a center clip right down there. And this is the one for the deck. And as I mentioned, don't lose that piece. I lost it again. Now, you don't need to remove this. I've seen videos with you not doing this if you ran your hands up underneath, which seems more of a pain to me than just pulling these 4 tabs up front. This whole piece will pop out. Be gentle. You've got 3 clips here. You want to lift. Let's see here. That feels like a two-hand thing. With a slight bit of wiggling back and forth and pushing down on this top tab, it came right out. 1, 2, 3. This piece is now separated. Be gentle with it. Now, we've got a bolt here, there's a bolt there, and I might as well take this and this too. Hypothetically, supposedly to split this point. T20 bolts here and here. These look bigger. Back to some T30s for these two here. 2 large head T30 bolts holding here and here. There is a T20 here and one here. 2 more on the adjacent side also. Now, hypothetically, should be loose. Got those bolts. So that. Oh yeah. Correcto mundo. There are 2 there. Alright, so I'm free, but I forgot about 1, 2, 3 clips that still need to come off prior to being able to remove this. Alright, so at this point, my wires are disconnected back there, and I just should need to lift up. This will come out. How to record me doing this. Alright. Anyways. Key here is to pull up from the back. Front goes downward a little bit so it doesn't hit the lip here and everything comes out. Alright, this piece shifts back and forth here and there, I guess, for positioning. It's kind of nice to know. Anyways, this comes up, over. I'm just going to lay mine out of the way. But you have 1, 2 holding this down, well technically 3 holding to the box. These are 10mm bolts. We've got 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am going to try and bypass removing these wires. I believe if I just lift and pull to the side, shouldn't need to. Also, it was recommended take washers, put them on 2 of the bolts after you remove this, so that way the whole shift box doesn't drop down. Alright, my theory did not work. You will need to remove those wires. I removed 2 of the 3 and have been able to pull this apart. I just want to note that these grooves were here prior to me doing anything, and look at that slap. That's fucked.